Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to make buttercream without sugar, so keep watching. This buttercream recipe is not too sweet and it has a smooth and fluffy texture. So I used 50 grams of shortening and 50 grams of butter. You could decide to use only 100 grams of butter, but using shortening helps to make the buttercream stable. And also, if you want a bright white color, just use 100 grams of shortening. Whip it up till it is light and fluffy. So if you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to see more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Once the butter becomes light in color, add the sweetened condensed milk. So I used 150 grams of sweetened condensed milk. That is about half a cup of condensed milk. So add it slowly, gradually, in about 4 additions. So you can easily double or triple the recipe, just multiply it by 2 or 3. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and leave a comment.